Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are checking out something that can completely change the way you cook at home, and trust me, this is not just another air fryer. This is the Ninja DZ201 Footy Dual Zone Air Fryer. Now imagine cooking two completely different meals at the same time. Yes, you heard that right. With its dual basket system you can cook fries in one side and chicken in the other without mixing flavors. And that's where things get really interesting. Let's talk about what makes this beast stand out. First of all, you get an 8-quart capacity, which is perfect for families, or even meal prepping if you're serious about your diet. Now here comes the smart part, the Match Cook feature. It allows you to copy the same settings across both baskets, so if you're making a large batch, it's done effortlessly. But wait, the real game changer is Smart Finish. This feature ensures that both foods, even if they have different cooking times, finish at the exact same moment. No more waiting, no more cold food. And guys, let's talk about versatility. This is not just an air fryer. It's a 6-in-1 machine. You can air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and even dehydrate. Yes, you can make your own dried fruits at home. Now from a health perspective, you're using up to 75% less oil compared to traditional frying, meaning you get that crispy texture without the guilt. Perfect for anyone trying to eat cleaner. Design-wise, it looks premium. Sleek gray finish, easy to use digital control panel, and cleaning is super simple because the baskets are non-stick and dishwasher safe. Let me be honest, once you start using this, going back to a traditional fryer or oven feels outdated. So the big question, is it worth it? If you want convenience, healthier cooking, and serious time saving, then yes, this is one of the best upgrades you can make in your kitchen. Make sure to check the link in the description below to grab yours today.